Brace yourselves and fasten your seatbelts. This is truly crazy. Ang kita mo, siguradong sagad, sabog. There's no way but up. This is another first in the network industry. Siguradong maraming networker ang magpapasalamat dahil dito. With this new update in the marketing plan, siguradong madodoble ang kita mo. At ang distributors ang sure na panalo. Excited ka na bang malaman? Welcome to JC Premier's Passive Sales Match or the Redundant Binary. Grabe to at sobrang nakakabaliw. With Company A, every time may bumibili ng produkto up to infinity ay umakyat sa'yo, both left and right. Ang kailangan lang nila consume is 120,000 repeat order at distributor's price both left and right. Which means, every time may bumibili ng produkto down the line at nakaka-consume ng 120,000 repeat order sa left and sa right, that's equivalent to 1 pair or 1,500 pesos. Kung titignan mo, it's way too hard. With Company B naman, it's still the same. Every time may bumibili ng produkto up to infinity ay umakyat sa'yo, both left and right. Ang kailangan naman nila i-consume is 100,000 repeat order at distributor's price both left and right. Which means, every time may bumibili ng produkto down the line at nakaka-consume ng 100,000 repeat order sa left and sa right, that's equivalent to 1 pair or 2,000 pesos. Kung titignan mo, again, it's still way too hard. Kung titignan mo, with other company, it will take time. And pakikinabangan mo lang kapag malaki na ang group mo. But with JC Premier, again, we are the first and only company with redundant binary at entry price. Let's see if they will take the challenge. But with JC Premier, every time may bumibili ng produkto both left and right up to infinity, ay umakyat sa'yo. Ang kailangan nilang consume is 15,888 distributor's price repeat order both left and right, yun lang. Which means, every time may bumibili ng produkto down the line at nakaka-consume ng 15,888 both left and right, that's equivalent to 1 pair or 1,500 pesos. Kung titignan mo, it's that easy. Nag-umpisa pa lang, pakikinabangan mo na. Ang malupit pa dito, this is regardless kung direct mo or spillover. Aba, matindi. Para mas makita mo ang big picture at makita mo kung gaano kaganda, kadali, at ka-realistic ang passive sales match ng JC Premier, then let's analyze by numbers. Pagpalagay na lang natin na ang kada produkto ay nagkakaalaga ng 500 pesos. With Company A, 120,000 repeat order at distributor's price with 9,000 entry price, that's equivalent to a 13:1 ratio. Ito ang dami ng tao na kailangan mo. Imagine, that's 240 people per 500 pesos repeat order. At ito naman ang dami ng produkto na kailangan mo. 240 pieces kaya baha ang products. Imagine, left side pa lang to. Kailangan nyo pang makakonsume sa right ng ganitong karaming produkto para makakuha ng 1,500 pesos. E di wow! With Company B naman, with 100,000 repeat order at distributor's price with an entry price of 15,000 pesos, that's a 6:1 ratio. Ito ang dami ng tao na kailangan mo. That's 200 people with 500 pesos repeat order. Ito naman ang dami ng produkto na kailangan mo. That's 200 pieces kaya baha pa din ang products. Imagine, again, left side pa lang to. Kailangan pa sa right ng ganitong karaming produkto para makuha mo ang 2,000 pesos mo. Salamat ha! But with JC Premier, 15,888 repeat order at distributor's price with the same entry price is a 1:1 ratio. Malupit, di ba? Ito lang ang dami ng tao na kailangan mo. Ito lang din ang dami ng products na kailangan mo. That's 31 na tao or products per 500 pesos repeat order. Both left and right, yun lang para makuha mo ang 1.5 mo. Saan ngayon ang mas madali? Boom! Basag! That's how generous JC Premier is. Di kailangan bumahan ng products bago makuha ang sales match sa repeat order. Ang tawag dito, pamigay. Ito ang panalo. Kaya ang kailangan mo lang is 15,888 repeat order at distributor's price both left and right, which means every time may nagko-consume ng produkto down the line up to infinity at nakaka-consume ng 15,888 left and right, that's equivalent to a passive sales match of 1.5. Again, every time may nagko-consume ng produkto down the line up to infinity at nakaka-consume ng 15,888 repeat order both left and right, that's a passive sales match of 1.5. It's that easy. Ito pa ang malupit. The 12,000 buy one take one voucher that is free when you join will now be upgraded to 16,000 buy one take one. This should be consumed within 3 months. The faster, the better. Why? Because for every 15,888 buy one take one na nako-consume both left and right, that's equivalent to a passive sales match of 1.5. Imagine, binili nila ng buy one take one, nag-pair pa din. Wow! Grabe na to! Panalo! Kaya with JC Premier, every time may nagko-consume down the line ng 15,888 buy one take one both left and right, that's equivalent to a passive sales match of 1.5. This is regardless kung direct mo or spillover. Aba, mas matindi, lalong basag. Kaya for every package worth 15,888 with 16,000 buy one take one voucher na pumapasok both left and right, ay kikita ka sa 15,888 enterprise na 1.5 per pair. And every time na nakaka-consume sila ng 15,888 buy one take one, that's another pair of 1.5. Imagine, that's a total of 2 pairs per package, or that's 3,000 pesos per package. Imagine, 2 bangga kada package. Grabe to, sobrang panalo. Kaya sobrang bilis ng kitaan. 15,888 enterprise left and right pair, that's 1,500 pesos. And 15,888 distributors price left and right pair, that's another 1,500 pesos. And 15,888 buy one take one left and right pair, that's another 1,500 pesos. Question is, kaya ba to ng company mo? Patay kang bata ka, 10 pairs na lang, may pairing pa sa redundant. Sigurado, mas mabilis ako nito ma-flash out. Chillax, ang max pairing mo sa recruitment ay separate sa max pairing mo sa redundant. Yun naman pala. Pag-join mo pa lang, you have a max pairs of recruitment 10 pairs and redundant 3 pairs. And redundant could increase up to 10 pairs. How to increase the passive sales match maximum pairs? 3 pairs per day is given when you join. All you need is 50 pairs for 2 consecutive months to upgrade to 5 pairs per day. And all you need is 75 pairs for 2 consecutive months to upgrade to 7 pairs per day, and so on. These pairs are based on the redundant binary pairing. 2 consecutive months meaning first month 50 pairs, second month 50 pairs, then you will be upgraded to 5 pairs per day. And the good part is, there's no demotion. And with a maximum of 10 pairs per head, that's an additional of 450,000 per head. Advanced monthly maintenance auto debit. Kung naka 3 pairs per day ka na, ang kailangan mo i-consume is 1,000 pesos per month. Kung naka 5 pairs per day ka naman, ang kailangan mo i-consume is 2,500 pesos per month. Kung naka 7 pairs ka naman, ang kailangan mo i-consume is 5,000 per month. And kung nakaka 8 to 10 pairs a day ka na, ang kailangan mo i-consume is 7,000 pesos per month. Ang kagandahan pa dyan, buy one take one pa. Malaki pala. Now let's look at the worst case scenario. What if nakaka 3 pairs ka lang per month? Again hindi 3 pairs per day, kundi 3 pairs per month. Ang kikitain mo is 4,500 pesos per month. Ang kailangan mo lang i-consume is 1,000 pesos per month. Kung titignan mo, kita ka pa rin. What if nakaka 5 pairs ka per month? Ang kikitain mo is 7,500 pesos per month. Ang kailangan mo lang i-consume is 2,500 pesos per month. Kung nakaka 7 pairs per month ka naman, ang kikitain mo is 10,500 per month. Ang kailangan mo naman i-consume is 5,000 pesos per month. What if nakaka 8 to 10 pairs ka per month? Ang kikitain mo is 12,000 to 15,000 per month. Ang kailangan mo lang i-consume is 7,000 per month buy one take one pa. Kung titignan mo, sobrang sulit ka. What if you maximize your potential earnings? 3 pairs per day is equivalent to 135,000 per month. 5 pairs per day naman is equivalent to 225,000 per month. Kung nakaka 7 pairs a day ka naman, ang kikitain mo is 315,000 per month. And kung nakaka 8 to 10 pairs a day ka na, ang kikitain mo is 360 to 450,000 per month. At ang kailangan mo lang i-consume is the same pa rin. Kung titignan mo, maliit lang pala. Marami ang nasa third step na ayaw mag-binary kasi pag lahat daw nag-stop mag-recruit, wala na daw kita. Mabilis ang kita pero unstable, walang passive income. Kung meron man, sa uni-level. Kaso, barya lang ang kita. Ang passive income ay nasa repeat order at wala sa recruitment. And let's face it, ang malaking kitaan ay wala sa uni-level kundi sa sales match or pairing. And that's the beauty of JC Premier's passive sales match, bringing the best of both worlds together. Kaya every time may bumibili ng produkto, down the line up to infinity at nakaka-consume ng 15,888 repeat order both left and right, that's a passive sales match of 1.5. It's that easy. Recruitment plus passive sales match. Sa recruitment, you have a maximum of 10 pairs. And sa passive sales match, again, you have a maximum of another 10 pairs. Kaya hindi na 10 pairs ang maximum pairing mo, kundi maximum of 20 pairs ka na per head. So, with recruitment of 10 pairs, that's a 450,000 maximum income per head. And an additional, sa passive sales match of another 10 pairs, that's another 450,000 maximum per head. Kaya kung titignan mo, ang total mo na ngayon is 900,000 maximum per head. The good part is, ang recruitment may pick pair, pero ang passive sales match wala. Kaya solid ang kita mo sa repeat order. Kaya siguradong payaman big time. Kaya talagang imposibleng hindi ka pa yumaman sa JC Premier. Kaya mangarap ka na ng malaki dahil lahat yan posible na. Kaya lahat ng pagod at puyat mo siguradong bayad. Kaya siguradong lalong babaha ng resulta sa JC Premier. Nga ang hindi sasabay. Kaya sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, dito rin ang bagsak mo. So join us now and be part of our growing family.